Yo, what's going on, guys? Today is Monday. Just gonna do a quick little recap of today, what happened, what I'm thinking going into the rest of this week. To start off the day, we went back to the original model that I was profitable with before. We went back to the continuation model that I was doing, and we're up 350 on the day. Took 3 trades, 350, and then I won 200 and then lost 200. But man, I keep coming back to this continuation strategy that I've been trying to, or that I started in the beginning and that I never really continued to refine. I'm really glad that I'm kind of back at it because I'm liking the idea of these smaller wins that I have a way higher win rate with, and that I have a higher trade frequency, like actually trading. So that's been good. I think I'm gonna use this one for a little bit. I understand it better. I'm confident when I take the trades. I've been backtesting it a lot today, and I have like an actual set strategy. Like when this happens, your rejection, fair value gap, all that stuff. Like I have something like written down that has reliably worked over multiple trades that I've taken with it, and that I'm more confident taking. I like this setup more than waiting for a reversal off of an SMT, which is the strategy that I was using before. So that I'm happy about. I'm gonna do a couple more days just paper trading with it, I think, and then backtesting, and then hopefully later, like mid this week, I'm gonna go and try to pass the eval with it. For the eval, how it's gonna work on these, because they are less than how the reversal would, for how much I would make. Usually on the SMT one, I would make about, like on a winning trade, it would be probably like 1 to 2K, but those were a lot more rare than these ones. So my plan is for the evals to pass these. I'm gonna double my risk and then double the times that I take a trade during the evals that I try to pass them, because I'm gonna have to regularly blow these eval accounts and repass them. So if I could double it and pass it in maybe like 2 to 3 days, I'll be happy with that, and that'll be good. So that's my plan for passing these. And then when I go back to just normally trading, it's gonna be 1 trade a day, and I'm gonna have a target goal of around 10 to 20 points, so around $300 to $500 of take profit. And yeah, it's something that I'm more confident with than before. So I'm gonna stick to it, see how it works. Trying to think what else. I mean, that's kind of all that I worked on today, just refining that model and put the time in, and I came out with a model that I'm happy with, and then I'm gonna put into the live markets tomorrow. So we're gonna see how it works. I'll update you guys, obviously. Gotta obviously continue to work on my my mental with it and control my emotions. Just trade it only when the strategy presents itself, and when I see an obvious, just an obvious A+ setup that I could take and that I should take, and you know, win or lose, still enter. And because I followed the strategy, you know, it's going to play out how it should play out. So yeah, that's kind of my update so far. I'm liking where we're going. I'm still, you know, en route to hopefully passing this eval account in December and getting my first payout in December. I learned that with the eval account that I have right now, it's from Alpha Futures. It's a 50K zero account. My first payout, the max could be 1.5K, and then the second payout could be 3K. So at most, I make 1.5 this year. If I could probably do more if I really dedicated myself to it and the strategy works, because I pass it the eval in a few days. I think it's 5 winning days that I have to have. I'll have to check again on that, but I think it's 5 that I have to have winning days, and then I could request another payout. So realistically, let's say I pass the eval by the end of this week, right? I take tomorrow to just paper trade and backtest more, set with the strategy. Wednesday through Friday, I pass the eval in those 3 days because I have the double risk. I should be able to pass it relatively quick if the strategy works. And then I have 3 more weeks left in December, and that's 15 trading days. So realistically, with all the holidays and stuff that I won't be able to trade to, I could make 4,500 this month if everything goes according to plan. So we could hope for that, or you know, the 1.5. I'm gonna be happy with either. If I make real money, I get a payout from it, I'm gonna be stoked. That's gonna be like a huge amount of progress, and just knowing that is gonna help me. Just, you know, I'm gonna reinvest all that money that I make back into it, buying more evals, and then copy trading, and then passing those, and then, dude, from there, it's only up from there, you know. But yeah, guys, that's what happened today. So I'm gonna end it there. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.